Upgrade your fireplace in a flash? Transform your old hearth into a safe, stylish extension with expert guidance. Start by gathering your essential tools: fire-resistant cement board, mortar, tiles, measuring tape, level, and notched trowel. Carefully check local codes for safety standards. Measure precisely from the fireplace front, ensuring 16 to 20 inches of extension centered with the firebox. Secure your cement board base using the right adhesive or masonry screws and check for even levels. Spread mortar and set each stone or tile row by row, creating a durable, attractive finish. Let everything cure for 24 hours before touching up joints. Enjoy a safer, more elegant fireplace. Every step builds confidence in home value. Follow this guide to transform your hearth safely. Subscribe for more DIY inspirations and practical tips today.